Hey, Mark the Meerkat Suffering here at freeonlinetradingeducation.com, brought to you by Grok Trade, where I'm an analyst, host of the GrokStar Trading Room, and maybe your future mentor. And let's take a look at a trade that we had in a GrokStar room this morning on KKD. Here it is, Krispy Kreme donut. It had dropped 10% as soon as it guided lower on its earnings. So here it was, it dropped 10% and then it proceeded to fall down, and now it's forming what we call a bear flag. If you want to know more what a bear flag is, go to our site, freeonlinetradingeducation.com, right here to our free chart school. Here's a description of a bear flag, and then here's a picture of it where it runs down, and it done run down over 10% at this point, and now it's coming back in a parallel channel. If it breaks below that, it is a bearish formation. That's why they call it a bear flag, right? So here it was, it had dropped down here, and now it's in this tight channel. So I said, let's get an order set right here, but it didn't have the 50 moving average right there, so that one had me a little bit concerned, but let's see what happened next. And we're ready, and right here, as soon as it broke that 50 moving average, I am now short at $16.43. And it proceeded to drop, and drop a little bit here. It's still short, still short, still short. And now it's just basing here at 16.35. So I've got my stop. I'm in the money on my stop, but it's just basing right here. And it's going on. This is, by the way, the lesson today is on patience. Look at that, 16.35. It just would refuse to break that for the longest period of time. Now we're working on an hour here. I'm still in the trade. I'm still in the trade. Now I'm thinking to everybody, okay, I may just go ahead and get out at 16.35. It would only be for a small percentage, but again, my stop is in the money. Zero risk on this trade. If it breaks out, I still make a little bit of money on it, and if it breaks down, I'll make a little bit more. Then look what happened. Suddenly, bam, and look at the volume spike up as well. So again, this is a long patience trade, and now it's low basing here at 16.20. So I went in and I did take out half at 16.20. And for 1.3% on that first half. And then what happened, it started to pop up, and I'm bringing my stop down here so it's more in the money than up here, and it popped me out right there. Right here, as it popped to above that 20 moving average, it got me out at $16.28 for 0.9% on the second half. So let's look at this trade. Breakout from a breakdown from a bear flag. And then we just managed our stop, and we took out half when it was low basing in line of support, and took out the other half when it broke the 20 moving average for a total of 1.1% in 1 hour and 24 minutes. Whew, that one took a lot of patience for a day trade for me. Hey, if you want to trade with us, you can do that. And I wish you would. 30 days for free, by golly. Well, what you can do is just go right to our site, to chat, where it says chat, and then down below it's right here, the GrokStar room, and you just press here, a 30-day free trial, and you don't even need a credit card, and come see what it's like. So if you can be in front of the market between 9 o'clock and 12 o'clock Eastern time, that'd be great. I'd love to have you join us. Now, this is Mark the Meerkat Suffering. I just want to remember that what Charles Darwin said about survival of the fittest. He said, it's not the strongest of the species that survives, nor the most intelligent, but the one that responds to change. Guess what? Traders are the same way. It isn't the smartest, it isn't the strongest. It's those that can adapt to a changing market the quickest. That's what surviving trading is all about. Trade well.